Okay, we've seen a lot of YouTube videos about these dampening rods, shock absorbers, balancing rods, whatever you want to call them, as being defective. And I'm here to try a different approach to repair. And what I've done is ordered the #1 stopper, it's rubber, and excuse me, it's about 1 inch long, and it's tapered with a hole in the center, and the hole is 1 millimeter smaller than the actual rod on the dampener. There's the defective part, which is basically just a cork. You can find them in your wine bottles, but anyway, it's worn out. And so what I want to do is measure and cut that size from this cork, starting from the tapered end, and you just take that, get a pretty good idea where to cut. Okay. And there we go. Pretty good cut right there. Alright, and then where the hole is, you take your knife, make sure you don't go too far across, but just go from the hole on one side. That gives you access to wrap around the rod. Okay, there it is. Take this off. As you can see, it's pretty crappy. And you jam this where that other one was, and that's nice and snug. Reattach the snap-on cap. Apply a little grease. I've got some Dow Corning from my dad when he worked at DuPont in the late 30s. It's still got about half a container after 80 years. Anyway, put that on this rod, and one of the things I found was these little boogers are really jammed on there and stuck there. Once you get, there. Once you get them to slide a little bit, they work better. Okay? There. Nice. That's real nice and snug. Anyway, that's my idea. I had a eureka moment after watching numerous YouTube videos that were hoping for a better idea than what some of them were using, and that's what I've come up with. And just redo the rod. I got the corks from a supply store online, and I'll give you that at the end of the video. Actually, I'll give you that right now. It's from widget.com, and the corks are about 50 cents. I ordered about a dozen, and exactly a dozen, so the price came to $10.56. Alright, so widget.com, and hopefully this will work and solve not just my problem, but maybe become something most people who are in the business can adapt their repair to. Oop. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to install these and try her out in a little bit.